Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Kycox here, and many of you have been wondering, that old video isn't really up to date now, is it? Well, style overall has changed like a metric shit ton over the past, over the past year and a half that the video's been out. Shit has changed a lot in the online dating fucking outfit bullshit community, fucking all that shit. Fucking a lot of it's changed, okay? So I'm gonna be updating the guide. So as you can see, I have quite a few outfits. They're not much of them because I don't wear ODer outfits that much anymore as I used to, like when in old Kai Cox days. I also am not extremely rich like I was on Kai Cox. I mean, I don't have all this, like Stitch Face, the pirate hat, all that shit. I don't have that on this account. But anyway, let's just get into it. So basically, what you want to do is you want to start out with this layout, something similar to this. So this is the one I usually use, the right skeleton leg. So some substitutes you could do with this. You could use the death speaker leg, core blocks leg, or whatever you call it, on the right leg. Don't use the left leg. The left leg is for nerds. Don't do that shit. But I'm not going to demonstrate because I don't have core blocks because I'm dirt poor. And anyway, so yeah, and then maybe if you want, you could have like the core blocks death speaker arm, or maybe the core blocks mage arm if you want, on like the other side of the opposite side of the leg or whatever. But anyway, yeah. So and then this is the style of animations that I use. So I use the astronaut idle, climb, swim, jump. I use basically astronaut everything except run and walk. I use the toy walk, and sometimes you can substitute it with the toy idle, maybe the idle animation from the fucking package. And you can use old school if you really think you should, but I'm just gonna go with idle because it's just, the astronaut idle because it looks pretty good. I like it. I'm gonna be making it like the default like Roblox fuckboy type look. So I'll have to put this skin tone on, and I will make an outfit. Let's see what looks good with this. If this fucking thing would load, like it's really pissing me off because it never just never wants to load. I gotta refresh the page to load the fucking thing, and sometimes it still doesn't even fucking do it. Look at this shit. It's fucking annoying. Anyway, so actually no, we're gonna go hair first. Oh my fucking god, bro. Okay, well I can't see it. Anyway, so if you're creating this type of outfit with the darker skin, with the more tan skin tone, you almost always want to go with the default beautiful hair. Maybe brown if you have it, but I'd still go with black because it just fits the vibe. If you're using neon, I don't recommend, or if you have this, I would recommend using the white, like this skin tone right here, the one all the way to the right, because this is what I use for neon color, because I don't know, it just doesn't look good when it has the darker skin tone. Alright, anyway, so you put on that shit. Alright, we're gonna come back to this later. We're gonna add like 10 different hairs because that's what Roblox fuckboys do apparently. Alright, so we got a few things to choose from here. If you're super poor like me, you might have Valkyrie helm. So you just want to slap that shit right on there. This is really pissing me off. Just load my avatar, please. Like, this is another problem with Roblox. It just never loads my fucking avatar. It just does this. It just fucking finally. Okay. So what do we got? I got that here. So then you want to just put a chain on, because if you don't have a chain, you just look like a retard. Like, if you don't have a chain, you're just a little bitch and you're not gonna get anything. No pussy if you don't have a fucking chain, pal. Like, I can't emphasize this enough. Like, back when fucking I made that other tutorial, chains didn't exist. So, I mean, you couldn't really do anything about that, but now they exist, and now they're basically required. So you can choose from a plethora of different fucking UGC chains on the catalog. I'd buy like maybe 2. I have 3, because why the fuck not? I'm gonna wear the gold one, because yes. And then for shades, fucking online daters tend to wear these combat goggles a lot. That's really the only, maybe cloud goggles, I'm not sure. The eye patch is like a big thing you want, so I'm gonna wear the eye patch. It's gonna take fucking 12 years to render my fucking avatar with a goddamn eye patch on it. It's pretty fucking hilarious. shaking my fucking head. Alright, so, if you're super poor like me, you might not have black iron horns or red iron horns, but red iron horns are for poor people. Black iron horns, here, I'll show you black iron horn. Let me get on the fucking catalog. Okay, look at this. Alright, we got the red iron horns right here and the black iron horns. See, the red iron horns are for people who are just dirt poor and can't afford the real deal. But I am super poor, so I have to buy these UGC black iron horns for like 75 Robux because I don't have these right now. I might have them later if I start trading. If my fucking character would load, holy shit. God damn it. I'm gonna fucking piss myself. I can't even do anything. It's literally broken. Oh my fucking god! Anyway guys, so we can't see the avatar because Roblox fucking is a piece of dog shit and deserves to die because they just don't know how to run their site and keep it so there's not 10,000 fucking bugs that are on the site every goddamn minute. Like this annoying bug where you can't see your avatar, you have to press redraw and you can only redraw a certain amount of times. Like, that's really annoying. Like, why can't we do it more than once? Anyway, so this Lapel Rose is 20 Robux. These is a really good addition to have to your avatar. Alright, so faces. I'm not really too poor when it comes to, I mean, not too rich when it comes to faces, but I will say, Stitch face is kind of going out of style. I mean, if you wear Stitch face, you're kind of just lame. Like, it's not that good. Like, there's better faces. So like Winky is a if you're just low on Robux, like this Winky face, that would be a pretty good thing. Any sad face works. Sinister is a really good one. It's go time. It's kind of a poor man's face, not gonna lie, but I mean you can do it if you really want to. This face is only for emo kids. I wouldn't really wear this if you're unless you're like dirt poor, like I was when I bought this face. Or I think that's actually really it. I don't know what other faces are there. Like, I swear to God, bro, Stitch face is like the number. Okay, don't wear is disgusting. Like if you wear you're retarded. Like don't wear that shit. And then big sad eyes is definitely you could definitely get that. Big side eyes is pretty cool. Slick Fang, don't get Slick Fang. Slick Fang's really like out of style. Like it's not good. It's really just not good. And Know-It-All Grin, nope, don't fuck with this. Hold it in. Do not buy this face. It's 25 Robux, but still don't buy it. This makes you look poor. It makes you look dirt poor. It makes you look more poor than me when I made my account. And I didn't have any Robux, so just don't do that. Vampire, this is an uncommon one, but it's really good. I like this face. Yeah, so just don't wear like these types of faces. Like it's just gross. You just don't want to do that. So a super happy face. Honestly, I hate this face with a passion. I really don't like it. It's so overrated, and I just don't like the face. Like you could like it if you want. I just don't like it. It just really pisses me off because when I was like I remember when this came out in like 2016, and I had enough Robux to buy it, but I thought that shit was ugly. I was like, ew, I don't want to buy that shit. That's disgusting. And then I never bought it because I didn't know what limiteds were. Otherwise, I would have copped it in a goddamn fraction of a second. But the reason I hate the face is just because it just looks dumb. It just looks really dumb, especially when guys wear it. It's like anyway, Playful Vampire, I mean, it's good with some ODer outfits, just not the ones I make because I don't have it. There's some Playful Vampire outfits that I like that you can actually use that make it look good. But other than that, it just kind of looks gay. Punk Face. Also, Punk Face is I like this face. I'm not an emo or any of that shit, but I like Punk Face. Punk Face is pretty cool. It's pretty gooch. And don't buy this. As much as I hate super heavy face, I hate this face even more. I really don't know why Roblox made this face, but they should consider taking it off sale ASAP. And by ASAP, I mean like right goddamn now, because this is disgusting. Poor ass motherfuckers are just walking around with this face on, thinking they're like rich as hell, like because they think they have like fucking super happy face. Get the fuck out of here. Anyway, guys, so a face we're gonna use for this avatar. I'm just gonna test a couple of them. Alright, let's try the next one. This is fucking ridiculous why it takes this long to load a fucking face onto my avatar, bro. My Wi-Fi isn't even that bad. Alright, that looks not as good as it could. Oh, let's try anguished, or this sad face. Okay, I'll use sad face for this outfit. Once you have the main stuff in place, then start adding hairs, or more than one hair to your avatar. So, like this hair, this Roblo hunk hair to add on to the fucking black hair. And then if you want, add also the clean spikes of any, like, maybe you can really put any type of spikes. I'll put blue on here because blue looks pretty fire with the Valk. Boom, that actually looks pretty good, not gonna lie. And then you can add more stuff to it if you want. If you have, you could add up to 10 accessories to your avatar. So like you can only wear, like, it's only gonna let you wear like 3 hats, but you could just use the. You could use this advanced, same for anything else like hairs, face accessories, neck, blah blah blah. You just use this advanced tab, and then you paste the ID into here of the ID of the asset, and then boom, you could wear like 10 hairs if you want, like if you're really that retarded. But yeah, I'm gonna take this trident and just slap that on my back real quick. Oh, how would this look? How would just slapping the freaking robber hat on there? How would that look? Alright, so this is the final product. You could add a gear like light blocks jar. That's the most common, or core block staff if you have money for it, or whatever, like whatever you want. A basketball, the Tommy gun, I don't care. Honestly, I'm just not gonna wear I'm not gonna have a gear because it just looks better. If this thing would load faster than I nut, that would be pretty fun. So then, there's that. There's the outfit. This is basically how I make ODer outfits nowadays. I don't do it that often, so if there's anything that I should add that I haven't mentioned already, say it in the comments. Don't say anything that you know is gonna just get you just shit on in the comments, like fucking the wolf tail getting working for online. No. Don't fucking wear the wolf tail or any animal tail or any of that shit. I mean, bunny ears is really the only like type of ears that I'll accept. But anything else, it's just no. Don't do that shit. That's disgusting. Anyway, so that's that. So I'll talk to you guys later. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, leave a like. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and leave a comment saying, "Stop fucking online dating, you're 18. And then I'll reply with, "Shut the fuck up, I don't. I just teach people how to make outfits." Anyway guys, it's your boy Kai Cox, heading out of this bitch.